everybody, great to see you here today. My name is Marla Meridith. Welcome to my kitchen here in the high country in Telluride, Colorado. Today we are cooking up breakfast brunch pancakes. We're doing lemon coconut ricotta pancakes. You are gonna absolutely fall in love with these. They are a favorite of ours. These pancakes are great if you're having guests or if you just wanna treat your family to something special. This recipe really is super easy. If you don't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on those notifications so you don't miss any videos. I look forward to seeing you back here real soon. First, we're gonna whisk together the dry ingredients. Then we're gonna mix together the wet ingredients in another bowl. We're gonna bring it all together, mix it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and flip some pancakes.
Just to watch the ships at night on the San Francisco Bay. Oh, lover, please, please stay. Don't say you have to go. Don't say you need to run. I'll stop the clock on Central Station and we can have a drink downtown. Let it be the night that I am longing for. Let's fly down south to Austin or to Ecuador just to drink pina colada on a hot, wet summer's day. Oh, lover, please, please stay.
My goal is to inspire you to live your absolute happiest life. Please leave your comments on this post. I'd love to hear what you think about this recipe or anything else that I post. Also, I want to hear from you. I want to know what you guys want me to be posting here on my YouTube channel. I want to know what recipes you're looking for me to help you with, what you're craving, and then we'll have some fun together cooking it all up. I know a lot of you just don't really love to get into the kitchen, but let's just go ahead and demystify the cooking thing. It is doable for all of us if you just chill out and enjoy the process.